YouTube will share ad revenue with Shorts creators. YouTube Shorts creators will be able to join YouTube's partner program, which there was some revenue involved because there was like a creator fund.
There was a fund.
However, this is more like regular YouTube. The changes which go into effect early next year could help YouTube draw creators away from TikTok, where stars have complained about low creator fund payouts. This is the first time real revenue sharing is being offered for short form video on any platform at scale. Yeah, I mean, this had to happen if you wanted the Shorts thing to continue. People had to create business models around it, particularly those creators that were drawing a lot of eyeballs. Now, granted, I don't think this changes the fact that what a brand or a company is willing to offer percentage-wise, like, or the threshold for like how many ads per you're able to show per short. Do you see what I'm saying here? You got to be able to watch, I don't know, 4 or 5 shorts before an ad. So now that same ad that may have been on a singular YouTube video has to be split across 5 pieces of content.
Right.
So anyway, I guess what I'm trying to say is, yeah, partnership, monetization, I still don't think it's going to be at the scale of longer form, but probably YouTube, with their relationships with advertisers, should be able to provide something more competitive than what's currently going on for Shorts creators.
So, for example, I think maybe in this article, it said Mr. Beast had over 1 billion views for Shorts, but only got 15K.
Yeah, only.
15K.
I hear you, man. Yeah, right there. For example, Jimmy Donaldson, the YouTuber best known as Mr. Beast, shared earlier that he had made 15K from TikTok despite more than 1 billion views in the app.
Yeah, sorry, not Shorts, TikToks.
TikToks. Yeah, well, that's pretty widely published, the fact that if you're a TikTok creator, you're basically building an audience there in order to monetize elsewhere and in different ways, your sponsors and whatever else, because the ad revenue is not commensurate with the amount of attention. YouTube, on the other hand, gets you a little bit closer and has a fairly dynamic approach in terms of the ways in which you can make money through partnership, fan funding and super chats and stickers and live streams and long form videos, short form videos, memberships. There's a lot of different ways. I mean, even some of the new stuff plugging in merch. But I just don't think the Shorts thing will ever be exactly like the long form. However, some people can do some tremendous views on there, and they'll now have some sort of revenue split, be able to turn it into more of a business and stick to it longer. And who knows, you might see more innovation in the space as a result of people being able to commit to it. And I honestly think YouTube, in the first place, having such an innovative approach through partnerships, it played a key role in me being here and doing this, and so many people that I know. This idea that, I mean, they were so early to the game as far as revenue sharing, where other social media platforms were like, revenue sharing, what are you talking about? Go post some content because you want to or whatever. And we sort of see where that led in many cases.
Who does revenue sharing?
Well, now everyone's getting pressure to do it in one form or another. Facebook and Instagram and I mean everybody now. But there was a time where that wasn't the case. Not officially through the platform. People were always making money on different social media platforms, but they were doing the business end of it, creating those relationships, getting sponsors and things like that. The direct way, the direct version with the rev split and something like pre-roll was YouTube exclusive for a period of time. I mean, there are probably smaller programs and projects that were doing similar things, but at scale, it was unlike what the other social media platforms were doing. So anyway, you're still going to have a revenue split as well, the 45-55 situation. So it's good for YouTube too. It's not all about creators. For them, they obviously see benefit.
Sure.